So yesterday, while browsing Instagram, I came across this message in my DM. So this person happens to be looking for a particular product on the Seller affiliate network, but they can't seem to find it. So they reached out to me, and after offering solution to them, I thought that this would be a good opportunity for me to also help those of you that are facing similar challenges. One of the things you need to understand about affiliate marketing is that there are two factors at play. So you have the affiliate network and then you have the merchant. The merchant has to list their course, their product on the affiliate network for you to be able to access it as an affiliate marketer. If you have looked for a product and you can't seem to find it, here are two things that you can do. First of all, you have to reach out to the merchant through Instagram, through Twitter, through LinkedIn, or maybe through WhatsApp if you have access to their WhatsApp contact. Send them a message informing them that you've searched for their product on an affiliate network and you can't seem to find it. Ask them the next step you need to take for you to be able to promote their course. Now, if you really want to promote this affiliate course and you feel that this niche is where you want to play long term, here is a quick script that you can use. So just to do a quick recap, first thing, you have to reach out to them, informing them that you can't seem to find their product. Ask them if there are other affiliate platforms where their product is listed that you can promote it, and wait for them to reply you. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, share with a friend who would also find value in this, and hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you don't miss out subsequent videos. Remember, don't just get online, get noticed.